welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. It's a cucumber lemonade made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Refreshing cucumber lemonade, let me show you my ingredients. 1 liter of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 4 lemons, and 2 cucumbers. This is everything you need to refresh yourself and enjoy this amazing, refreshing lemonade. Nice and hot outside, and I know that you guys are really going to enjoy this cucumber lemonade. So let's get started. Of course, always starting by making my simple syrup. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. Let's take it to the stove and let's start dissolving the sugar. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you just add the regular sugar into your aguas frescas. Let it boil for a couple minutes, then turn it off and let it sit so it comes to room temperature. Here I have 2 cucumbers. I'm going to remove the edges. I'm going to take a little bit of the skin. I'm going to start scraping a little bit of the skin, and I guess I need to use this large one. Just a little bit. We want about 2 tablespoons of the skin. Remember, the skin has all those amazing vitamins and properties. And now I am going to slice a couple slices of cucumber. I'm going to reserve them. And now I am ready to just chop away and add this into my blender cup. Before I do that, let me continue by getting all the ingredients ready. Here I have my lemons. They're really juicy. Of course, they are organic from my garden. And look at this. I'm using 4 lemons, and I am going to add the lemon juice directly into the little pieces of the skin of the cucumber. Let me tell you, this lemonade really comes out really delicious. Remember that you have control of how much sugar you add into your aguas frescas. And of course, here I'm just going to continue juicing, getting all the juice of the lemons so that when everything is ready, I am ready to prepare this amazing agua fresca de pepino. Look at this. I have all my ingredients, a pinch of salt. This is optional. Food coloring. I have a little bit of food coloring green. I have the simple syrup, the lemon juice, and I'm ready to blend away. I am going to add the cucumber, and I'm going to add 1 liter of just water to this. Of course, once you add your water, you decide if you want to add the food coloring. I like adding it because it really brings those beautiful color to life. The cucumber is really going to look nice and green in this agua fresca. Blend it for a couple minutes. Remember, we're not going to put it through a sifter. I'm adding into my pitcher the lemon juice, the simple syrup, the pinch of salt, and of course, everything I have in the blender. But let me tell you, it's really hot here in California, and this agua fresca is really going to be nice and refreshing. Of course, you could add some ice into your pitcher, but I am going to add the ice directly into my glass so I don't dilute this amazing agua fresca. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. I hope you make it. I hope you refresh yourself like I refresh myself with my beautiful family. And this is one of my amazing and delicious cucumber lemonade. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy it. done with this cucumber lemonade, as I call it, agua fresca de pepino. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. It's so hot outside that I'm really going to refresh myself with this amazing cucumber lemonade. Excuse me. Those little pieces of the cucumber, just amazing. Remember, you have control of how much sugar you add to your amazing agua frescas. This agua fresca really transport me when I was a child. I really loved and always enjoyed when my mom used to make this amazing lemonade. If you liked and loved this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and refreshing agua fresca de pepino. See you soon. Bye-bye.